Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to continue with chapter revision linear equations in one variable up to question E, that is question 7 we had completed word problems. So we'll start with question 8 today. The first question, that is question 8. Amit is 24 years older than his son. After 11 years he will be thrice the age of his son. Find the age of the son 2 years from now. It's already given that Amit is 24 years older than his son. That means if we consider the age of son as x, then Amit's age will be x plus 24. After 11 years, he will be 3 times his son. Let's start the solution. Let the son's present age be x. Okay. Then Amit's present age will be x plus 24 because he is 24 years older than his son. After 11 years, that means son's age will be x plus 11 because 11 years se badega wo, and then Amit's age will be x plus 24 plus 11. Okay. Let us write the statement here. After 11 years, son's age is equal to x plus 11 because present age is x. So add 11 to x. Amit's age is x plus 24 present age. Add again 11 to Amit's age as well. तो यहाँ पे होगा x plus 24 plus 11. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means Amit's age is x plus 35 after 11 years. One more information is given that after 11 years, Amit's age will be 3 times his son's age. That means after 11 years, एक तो उनका age क्या होगा x plus 35 होगा, which is equal to 3 times his son's age. That means 3 of 3 into x plus 11 because son's age will be x plus 11 after 11 years. So x plus 35 is Amit's age after 11 years, and again it is equated to Amit's age, that is 3 times his son's age after 11 years. तो x plus 35 is equal to 3 into x plus 11. तो इन दोनों को इक्वेट करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. x plus 35 is equal to 3 times x plus 11. अभी देखिएगा यहाँ पे ओपन करते हैं ब्रैकेट. x plus 35 will be same is equal to 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 11 is 33. प्लस इंटू प्लस इज प्लस. दैट मीन्स 3x प्लस 33 होगा RHS में. x प्लस 35 इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 33. x जो वेरिएबल है यहाँ पे RHS में 3x है. व्हाट वी विल डू इज विल ब्रिंग दिस x प्लस x टू द RHS. इट विल बिकम माइनस x. सो 3x माइनस x होगा. तो ये कांस्टेंट 33 है, उसे LHS में लेकर जाते हैं. तो प्लस 33 है, सो इट विल बिकम माइनस 33. तो 35 is already there in LHS. 35 minus 33 होगा, which is equal to 3x minus x. What is 3x minus x? 3 minus 1 is 2. यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन सब्ट्रैक्शन का है. 2x होगा, that is with variable. और यहाँ पे 35 minus 33 यानी again the operation is subtraction का. 35 minus 33 is what? 2. Greater number sign plus 2 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 2 by 2 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई किया था तो डिवाइड करेंगे ऑपोजिट साइड जाते ही. तो x फाइंड आउट करना है. x इज इक्वल टू 2 by 2 होगा. 2 1 जा 2 2 1 जा 2. x इज इक्वल टू 1. दैट मीन्स x किसका था? प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन. तो सन्स प्रेजेंट एज इज 1 year. तो आफ्टर 2 years क्या होगा? सन्स प्रेजेंट एज इज 1 year और हमें पूछा गया फाइंड द एज ऑफ द सन. फाइंड द एज ऑफ सन 2 years फ्रॉम नाउ. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू ऐड 2. आफ्टर 2 years son's age will be 1 present age plus 2. दैट इज आफ्टर 2 years. तो 3 years होगा वो. दैट मीन्स सन का एज 3 years होगा आफ्टर 2 years. ठीक है. तो इसके साथ ही कंप्लीट होता है 8th क्वेश्चन. Thank you so much.